Welcome to Julijetek tutorial. Today we want to dive into a powerful tool, a tools that will help you to generate your pictures, your video for free. Currently now we know that Grok is no longer free. Before it was, but now it is no longer. So we all need powerful AI tools that will generate a script and it will generate our video for us. And this AI tool, it has clear and sharp resolution picture and video. Without wasting much of our time, please head over to your Play Store and then you want to type in this powerful AI tools. It names Gwen. Yes, I already installed it, and please, if you need to check the icon very well to see whether it is what we are talking about. Then after installing, you can open the Gwen app. This is the Gwen interface. Now, what are we going to learn from Gwen? Gwen has so many features. If you click this plus button here, you will see it has so many features. You can use Gwen for deep search. You can use it to create image and videos. You can use it for web search. Yes, other AI like ChatGPT also have this deep search. You can use it to learn, artifact sliced, and travel planner. Yes, so before you start, of course you need to log in. I already logged into mine. Log into your Gmail, sign up, then you can now start using Gwen app. So the reason why we bring this Gwen, because all of us need to use a free app to generate our videos, our logos, our pictures for our content, for our business. We are here to bring you different digital AI powerful tools to help you to grow in your journey of creativity. Now, we want to use ChatGPT join Gwen app to generate a video. But what ChatGPT can do, Gwen can also do the same. Why do we say so? Because Gwen has a thinking. ChatGPT, unlike if you are one of the Julijetek students, you have been taught on how to use Gemini. Gemini is full of thinking. You put in your ideas. From your idea, you bring out prompts. From prompt, you can generate a script or video scene by scene. Then the same thing with ChatGPT. It can think for you and bring out prompt and video scene. So this also can think, and deep search can also do the work. So before you start, you can also put it in fast, that's thinking fast. Yeah, this is where you can see it. Thinking fast. If you like, you can put it in automatic or thinking, but I like putting it in thinking fast. So you can use it for creating image videos, but for the sake of our tutorial, we are not talking about this. We are going to face these two for the sake of our tutorials. Now, let's dive in. Since they can do the same, you can type in with your idea here. You can give it your idea. For example, this is my own idea. You can give it your idea and send. It's actually going to bring out what you mean. This is it. This is a prompt that you bring up, but we don't want to use this one for the sake of our tutorial. I don't want to use this. I want to use ChatGPT. Join with it. So if you want to use the Gwen, you can use it. So this is the same prompt that I want to send in. Julijetek students also know how to generate a prompt, a good prompt at that. But if you are new in our channel, please, you can subscribe to the channel and go and learn how to generate a good prompt. But for this tutorial is just to introduce these AI tools for you, which is Gwen. So I'm going to send in my idea, and I told this ChatGPT down here, please give me the prompts for this idea. though it's a prompt, but I call it an idea because I don't put it well, just have the idea. You know, before you create an image, before you do anything, create a video, you will know what you want to do. So just put in the idea you want and send it to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to use that idea to create a prompt for you. From there, you use that prompt to create an image. From image, use an image to create a video. So I'm going to send it now. Now, ChatGPT is generating the prompt for Julijetek studio scene. Now, this is a prompt, and it's generating also the camera movement too. These are the camera movement, but that's not what we are talking about. We need the prompt. This is a prompt. So this prompt, we are going to copy this prompt to Gwen, so I can generate a picture that describes this particular prompt. You can pause the video and read this prompt very well, and you understand what it is. So now we are going to copy it. We don't want the video to be long, that's why we don't want to read it. We are going to copy it and head over to Gwen. This is a Gwen, and paste it here. Now let's see what Gwen will give us. It's analyzing. And another thing that you need to know is Gwen takes so much time in generating a script or prompt, even a picture or image. It takes more time, more than Grok. So you just have to exercise patience and wait for it. So it's giving us all this that is giving us. It is picture description. The picture here, this picture, it doesn't show this picture. Picture description. Maybe because of the network, that is why, yes, that show the picture. So this is a picture description, and this is a clear picture that we are talking about. And this is a boss. If you see a man in his early 30s, we are talking about. So because we send it these prompts, that is why it's giving us a picture description. Now we are going to head over to ChatGPT again and generate a scene from these prompts and bring it back to Gwen. That's how we are going to work, so that we can generate a video from this image. And you can also use it to generate a consistent character from your video that you want to make. But this, for the sake of our tutorial, either you have a realistic or any other folktale video that you want to make, you can do it. But for the sake of our tutorial, we want to use this picture and this prompt. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Before we head over to ChatGPT, let me explain something. So this is a description for this picture. If you read it, you will see that it's whatever you see inside this picture is what you will see in this write-up. Now, if you see this plus sign, there is nothing attached to it, this plus, and there is nothing there. But if you click it now, just try to say you want to create video. Do you see that there is a video icon coming up? That means you are in a video mode to create a video. You can use 9:16 or 16:9 or other screen method, depending on where you want to post your content. So let's head over. I want to cancel this. Let's head over to ChatGPT again. So that prompt that we already copied this prompt. We want to paste it here. I want to paste it again. Then we will say, you can give a little space. So you can say, give me 30-second video scene for the prompt above. 30-second video. Give me 30-second video scene for the prompt above. Yes, can send it. Let's see what ChatGPT will send it to us. Look at it here. It sends wide cinematic shot of a modern video editing studio in Lagos. Multiple creators working at desks, warm orange and blue lighting film the room. So there's a camera slot dolly in front of the camera, high, slightly elevated angle. So let's copy this first one. We want to show you, since you already know some of these things. Yes, many of Julijetek students already know some of these things. So we want to just introduce to you how Gwen works. Yes. So let's just copy it and go to Gwen. Now in Gwen, for you to generate a consistent character, you can use this picture. If you type into this picture, you'll see that what we are going to do is going to use this picture to generate video. Now, see this icon here, make video with this picture. So we are going to click on it. After we click on it, you will see a icon that shows a reply icon. So we are replying to this picture. From there, you can put in your script. What you copy at ChatGPT, can put it. Then you can use it to generate video. Now let's wait for it. This is another thing that you need to know, that Gwen can take a longer time to generate video. Yeah, sometimes it will stop at 50, sometimes it will load till 100. So you need to give a Gwen some time. It's not that fast like a Grok or other AI tools, but it will give you a sharp, clean resolution. So you have to wait for it. Alright, we are getting there. Like I said, a Gwen can take longer time to load more than a Grok. So you need to be patient for a Gwen. Alright, we are almost there. It's loading. Good. It has bring out the video. Yes, let's play the video. Let's see. And any prompt that you put, try to understand these prompts and see whether that's what it gave you. Good. Yes. So this is exactly the shots that this script is describing. This scene 1 is describing. So can do the same, any story that you have, go back to scene 2, copy it. You can download this one here, press this button, this 3-dot button, then you download it, generate another one. In the script, this script talk about the room filled with orange and blue lights. That is exactly what we are seeing there. And creators, they are focusing on their system, creating, and this is a boss facing the camera. That's the shot we are describing about. So it has give us this shot. You can even use this for the introduction to your video. Now, don't forget, we use this image. This image, we send it these prompts here. Then it give us this image and the description. You can type it on that make video. So it's as if you want to reply to that image and send it the scene again. You can make a consistent character. Just prepare your image. Tell the Gwen to give you image. Prepare your image and download it and keep like 4 or 5. Use it to create your video. So you can create a character. You can use it and use this make video to create your video. Yes. So And we also talk about, Gwen also have a features here. You can, instead of you to type, you can use the voice note. Yes. Then creating image, let me show you in new chat. If you go creating image or create image, there is a template you can use, or the prompt. If you click that use of prompt, you will see that it's actually going to write those prompts and it will generate the exact video from this prompt. So you can try it on your end. It should not be a long video. It's a video of introduction to this powerful AI. So you can try it on your end and see how it works. Yes. Thank you so much for staying till this time. Please subscribe and like our channels so that we can bring to you more powerful tools AI in the future. Thank you. Bye for now. See you in our next tutorial.